Mew mejor enemigo
Nasa
este
yung baby
aquí.
namin.
We're not gonna take your ball?
Parang ang ano niya, nakakatawa siya tingnan sa damit.
Pink and blue.
Macarena, Macarena, Macarena. Macarena, Macarena, Macarena. Mini. Mini. You are a Macarena.
She had the ball.
Macarena, Macarena, because it's the ball. That's why she quite
Aggressive.
aggressive. She don't like it. Because her daddy, what is doing, always is snatching the ball from her. So that's why she keep protecting the ball. And sometimes she want to bite. You see? It's so funny sometimes. Where's daddy going? Where's your daddy going? Ciao, ciao, daddy.
Ciao.
We are playing with Minnie. I don't like her when she have that ball.
We're not gonna take your ball away.
Then go away. Why you sitting on my lap? If you are just so, it's because of this record. That's why she's so angry. Minnie, stop.
Ayaw niya.
Or she don't like with the camera.
Ayaw niya sa sarili niya.
Para siyang tiger, piste. Tingnan mo, ano kita, babalibag kita. Nakaupo ka kasi sa ano ko kaya, hita. Tapos magtatapang-tapangan ka. Boy, this dog is so crazy, though. Minnie? No. Stop. Para, Minnie. Para. Para, Minnie. Para. Eu pala.